Every day, millions of Oreo cookies are produced inside massive automated factories around the world.
Before they reach store shelves, they pass through an incredible manufacturing process designed for speed and precision.
The journey begins with carefully selected ingredients arriving at the factory in large quantities each day, where flour, sugar, cocoa powder, oils, and flavorings are stored in massive industrial containers. Before production starts, advanced computerized systems accurately measure every ingredient, ensuring each batch follows the exact recipe required for Oreo's famous taste and texture. The measured ingredients are transferred into enormous mixers where they are blended together. Creating a rich chocolate dough that will eventually become the iconic cookie wafers, where rollers flatten it into perfectly even sheets ready for cutting.
And high-speed machines cut out thousands of identical cookie shapes every minute,
while the signature Oreo design is pressed into every single piece with exact detail.
For into these different oven voltage and before the cookies move into long tunnel ovens for continuous baking,
where controlled heat ensures every cookie is baked evenly and consistently.
Developing the familiar texture, crunch, and deep chocolate flavor.
After which the cookies must pass through cooling systems to stabilize their structure. Where carefully controlled airflow brings them down to the right temperature. While in another section of the factory, the famous Oreo creme filling is being prepared,
by blending sugar, oils, and flavorings into a smooth, creamy mixture.
which is continuously checked to maintain perfect consistency in every batch. Until both cookie and creme are brought together on the assembly line, where a precise amount of creme is placed onto each cookie base. And another cookie is positioned on top to form the classic sandwich structure. All happening at extremely high speeds with perfect synchronization. Followed by advanced inspection systems that check every cookie for quality, quietly.
Automatically removing any product that does not meet strict standards. Before approved cookies are sent into high-speed packaging machines,
where they are sealed tightly to preserve freshness and quality. And then grouped into cartons ready for distribution. Before being shipped worldwide, reaching stores and homes everywhere. And finally, becoming the familiar cookie enjoyed by millions every day.